Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC-Automation. In this video, we are going to build a simple PID control system using on and off control with Hysteresis. And this method is widely used in heating system, ovens, tanks, industrial temperature control, and simple PID alternatives. So let's start. To start, first of all, I'm going to add an FB. Since I have already worked on this FB, I have also chosen the name. We are going to declare some variables. Okay, output. And now just in state, also boolean. And now let's move to the code. First of all, let's write some commands. That is the actual value for temperature. Desired temperature. And this one, of course. But here also like 1.0. Okay, let's move to the code. We have not an enable, then heater CMD equals to false. State equals to false. Return. And if. Okay, now some text on below. Is off and off as plus haste. Okay. Setpoint minus setpoint plus x then end of our code. Alright, let's test it. We go to call it number one. Online. Okay, let's declare a set point. For example, I want to have a temperature of 55 degrees. Wow, it's 55. And now it's 10. Turn on the machine. Now the heater is on. The heater pushes the heat up to 55 degree. 55, for example, we are reached. That's, oh yeah, so we have to do around 52, for example, 57. It turns off. The heater turns off. And we get the value from our PT 100, like, for example, 45. The heater is on because we want the heater to heat our liquid or the space up to 55 degree plus our haze temperature. And when it's down than the set point, the heater is on. Okay, let me have a look. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. In this video you have learned how on and off temperature control works, how to build temperature logic in PLC, and how to use it with it in your PLC coding. Okay. So if you found this useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the notification for the next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.